Okay, I'm gonna make a video of my truck. As you notice, I use 6-inch light bars, and put them on my grill guard, and those are my daytime running lights. I think they're pretty sweet. I like it. It's bright. That's for my fog lamps on at the same time. So whenever you hit the shifter when you shift, they turn on. It looks just like that. They're so bright. Mm, as you can see, pretty sweet. It's a light bar there. So I got my switchbacks over here as turn signals. So I cancel the one in the on the housing and put that as a turn signal and switch back on the other side. And I use that as my daytime lights. I think it looks nice, in my opinion. If you don't like it, I do like it. Tell me what you think. Some tow mirrors. And that stands. Look at the stands. That's at least 6 inches off the wheel wells. Pretty bright. Pretty nice. And that bottom light bar, the 30-inch, that is just hooked up to a switch. And the other one on top, as you can see, there's two of them. That one is hooked up to my high beams. So whenever hit the high beams, those turn on. And I went ahead and canceled the ones on the headlamp. There's still a light bulb there, but it's not even hooked up to anything. It is hooked up to this light bar. This is my light bar. That's my setup. I think it looks nice. Well, I only run with the small ones during the day. So this is just a quick update on my truck. No new changes, nothing major. Since I got my wheels about 4 months ago. Hit it. Down. One more. Let it go. Okay, so those are the functions of my light bars. High beams, or it's my top light bar, and the bottom is just hooked up to the relay, to a switch. All right, Diego, do it again. Now, let it go. Beautiful. It's all Diego. Diego, do it fast. Do it fast. One more. Do it one more time. Let it go. Sweet. So this is my turn signals right over here. So that's the turn signal. Just turn signals. That's just the switch back. There it is. Oh, by the way, this is the 6.5 inch what's the brand, aux beam light bar. So, and this is also aux beam light bar. Those are 232-inch aux beam light bars, Philips LEDs. There you go. You can see the so it has the flooded the spot beams and the spot beams, and these are the flood beams. so you can see the jagged edges. So let's take a closer look at that. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Alright, that's it, you guys. Peace.